Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust in stainless steel with a diamond bezel and a Meteorite Diamond Dial on a Jubilee bracelet. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history of how this watch came to be. Then I'm going to tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with how the history and how this watch came to be. Now, the Datejust is Rolex's most iconic watch. It's their best seller. They make the most of it, and there's the most variations of it. So naturally, it's their best watch. Now, they have a lot of variations. For ladies, they have size 26, 31, and 36 millimeters. That's small, medium, large. And for men, they have 36 and 41 millimeter. For ladies, this is 31 millimeter, which is a mid-size watch. It's right in the middle. Also, you could consider it a medium-sized watch. Now, as a result, they make the Datejust medium in, as you can imagine, every configuration possible. They make it in steel, they make it steel and gold, steel, gold, and diamonds, all gold, rose gold, yellow gold, white gold. They might even make it in platinum. No, actually, they don't make it in platinum, but they make tons of variations. For the Datejust 36, I think there's something like 300 different variations or something like that. Okay, so there's a lot of them. Now, the one that you're looking at here is the Datejust with a stainless steel body and a white gold and diamond bezel. Now, Rolex makes the stainless, when they make the stainless steel version, they make it in a dome bezel. When they make the steel and white gold version, they make it with all steel and the bezel itself is in white gold. And then when they do the steel and steel, gold, and diamonds, then they do the entire watch in steel, except the bezel itself is made of white gold, which then houses the diamonds. Okay, so that's what we have done here. And this watch is like the reference number 278384 RBR. This reference number that we've used to create this custom Meteorite Diamond Dial and bezel comes from a reference number 278240. That's the base model that we used, and then we added both the diamond bezel and the diamond dial on here. Those two are custom. Now, if you wanted to get it all factory, well, they don't make the Meteorite dial in all factory, so the only way you could get a Meteorite dial on this size watch is you'd have to get it custom, which of course you can do that at jazztime.com, which you can simply click on the link in the description below to buy that watch. Now, if you, for example, want to use the base model of the watch with the original diamond bezel, we could do that as well and just swap the dial. But most people who want to get this sort of look that you're looking at here, change both the bezel and the dial, and this is the look you get, and you get it at a much lesser of a price. If you were to get it all factory, the watch is going to cost you almost $20,000. I think it's some, and you can't get Meteorite anyways. It's going to cost you like 18, 17,000, whatever it is. But if you want this version here, we're selling it, at least as of 2024, around $12,000, and that includes the custom diamond bezel and custom diamond dial and Meteorite dial, which you cannot get anywhere else. Okay, because, as I said, we take the base model, which is normally just a steel version with a dome bezel, reference 278240. Okay, that's a little bit about the history of this watch, how this watch came to be. Okay, now let's start talking about the watch itself. Let's starting with the case. The case itself is 31 millimeters. It's a stainless steel case. That means all the case itself that houses the movement and the dial and holds the watch together is all made of stainless steel. It's 31 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger, and it's size medium. That means for most women, they're going to be able to wear this size. Has a high polished case and looks very beautiful. We don't touch that whatsoever. Now let's move on to the bezel. Now here's where it gets interesting. Now, if you want to buy the factory one, we do have factory diamond diamond versions of this watch. They're just not with the Meteorite because Rolex doesn't make it on Meteorite. But what we do is we remove the old bezel, which I'm going to show you right here. This is the old bezel. It's just simply a dome bezel. It's just a metal part that goes over the crystal, and it just seals it, and that's the bezel. Now we take that off and we put real diamonds in. We put them in this white gold setting, channel setting, just like factory. It make it look just like factory. Okay, make it look perfect, just like factory. Of course, not as good as factory because Rolex, they're charging $18,000-$20,000 for their watch. We're charging a lot less, but nevertheless, we make it very, very good. And the result is what you see here. And we replace it with our bezel. These are still diamonds. They're still real diamonds, and they're done very, very well. Excellent, in fact. And the result is what you see here. Okay, so that's what we do. We remove the old bezel and put the new diamond bezel. They're just not Rolex diamonds. But diamonds all come from the earth, and they are, they're diamonds still. Okay, okay, now let's move on to the dial here. Now the dial also was replaced, but I want to bring your attention to some things. What we do when we replace the dial, we don't just get some. Here, let me show you what a regular dial is. This is a regular dial, what a regular dial looks like. And as you can see, it's just a little circular piece of metal with the numerals and the logo attached to it, and some print and some color, of course. So what we do is we actually take the original dial. Okay, we don't just get some random piece of metal. We take the original dial that it came with. It's still the same metal. We remove the hour markers and the crown. We cut a very thin slice of stone, and then we place it onto the metal. It's glued on there so that it stays. And then we put the diamonds in the setting, as you see around the edges, and then we take the original crown and place it there. So it's actually a refinished dial. It's a custom, of course, because Rolex didn't do it, but Jazz Time has configured it so the same in a Meteorite fashion. It would be like the equivalent of you buying a car, not liking the color or the design, or let's say the color, and you deciding, okay, I'm going to repaint it some different color and maybe put some graphics on it or something like that to customize it the way that you like it. It is your watch, so you can do whatever you want with it. Now, I will say, though, it does void the warranty from Rolex, as you can imagine, right? If you took a car and you changed the motor or you did some kind of modification to the motor, it would naturally void the warranty. So it does do that. However, Jazz Time provides a 1-year warranty with the watch, and if anything happens after that, we can still help you fix it. It will probably be a cost, but we can help you do it. But we do provide you a 1-year warranty anyways. And we've sold literally hundreds, maybe even more than that, of this watch, and not this particular configuration, but this style where we removed the bezel and dial and provided many people with this watch. And I don't think we've even maybe had 1-2 issues. I don't know, maybe not even. Okay, but anyways, that's what we do for the dial. Okay, so it's a custom dial, but it is still using the original parts as much as we can. Of course, not the stone and not the hour markers because they were originally Roman. But by the way, the hands are also original. They are the original hands, because what we have to do, if you want the hands to be white gold, we actually have to start with a Roman dial. Now, I was going to actually also say, since we're talking about the dial, if you happen to want the dial to be with luminescent hands so that you can read it at night, then we could start with the index dial, which has luminescent on the hands, which will make the watch glow at night. You can see it and read it at night. Some people care about that because, well, a lot of people wear their watches at night, but some people really don't care because they wear the watch more as a fashion accessory. And so they would rather have it in white gold. I would probably say that it looks cleaner in white gold, but it is more functional with luminescent. It's up to you, whatever you decide. When you go to our website and buy it, just let us know what you want, white gold hands or rose or index hands, and then we'll make the watch accordingly. Okay, that's the dial. Let's go on to the bracelet. Now the bracelet here is Jubilee. You could choose it also in Oyster, but this one's in Jubilee. And yeah, it's very nice. I mean, what can I say? It's an iconic part of Rolex. Okay, let's talk about the movement now. The movement is covered, so you really can't see it anyways. It has changed from the previous generation. It's now at 2236. It used to be a 2235. Has a power reserve of 55 hours. I could go on and on about it, but basically it's a very good movement. It's hidden, you can't see it, and there you go. All right, now it's normally I would try this watch on, but it's a little bit too small for me, so I'm going to let you use your imagination and just place it against my wrist here, and so you can see it's a very nice watch. And I really like the stainless steel version of this watch as opposed to gold, because first of all, it doesn't scratch as easily. It looks more it's still very classy. The silver metal is very classy, but it is very robust. You can wear it in pretty much any situation, and putting diamonds on the bezel really makes the watch pop. And also it makes it less scratch proof, because these diamonds don't scratch, and you can it looks very beautiful, very feminine, beautiful. And when you have it on a dome bezel or a fluted bezel, those bezels can easily scratch. The diamond one, not so much. And I also really like the Meteorite dial. There's many other dial configurations that we can do, by the way. If you just go to our site, jazztime.com, you can see that we do it with pink diamond dial, silver diamond dial, black diamond dial, whatever. Just many different kind of diamond dials. But this one in particular is stone dial, Meteorite dial. It actually takes much longer. A normal dial that we can make it in like 1-2 days, but a Meteorite dial, it takes like 1, sometimes even 2 weeks, because it needs to be cut, it needs to be placed, the stone needs to dry, everything needs to be, it just takes quite some time. And the tolerance, we need to make sure it's enough that the hands clear the hour mark. A lot of little technical things that need to get done in order to make this dial what it is. And the result is what you see here, a beautiful, beautiful watch. And so look, if you want to buy this customized Meteorite Diamond Dial, Datejust 3031, reference 278240 or 278384 RBR, please go to jazztime.com or click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.